We thank you so much for staying with us on Across Louisiana, Acadiana Style, brought to you by Melojoy, the original Cajun coffee. There's not too many original things left. We all know about dialing 911. We all know about dialing 211. But way back in 1965, it started and it's still around. It is 232-HELP. And yes. Ray Logan is here. So give us a little bit about that. That's quite an accomplishment.
Yeah, it started in 1965. This is our 50th year. And like you said, before 911, before 211, there was 232-HELP. And it really was, so many things started, Jason, with 232-HELP. I mean, I can go over a timeline with you. I mean, there's the Milk Fund, the eye care for the elderly, Operation Venus, Unwed Mothers Program, Child Protection Agency, TelMed, TelLaw. And in 50 years, we have answered over 10 million calls for assistance, and the economic impact on the community is around $175 million.
Wow.
So it's an amazing safety net for Acadiana, and it's just remarkable where we've been. And on September 23rd, we're going to honor at our gala, Anything is Possible. We're also going to honor 3 people who have really been the backbone of our agency since it began. And we're going to honor them with the Jewel P. Lowe Humanitarian Award.
Okay.
And that's Dr. Shirley Covington, who was on our original board. Richard Dockhand, who was the publisher of The Advertiser. He was on our original board. And posthumously, we're going to honor Mr. Bob Lowe, who was one of our original founders and the husband of our founder, Jewel Lowe. And as you know, he just recently passed away. And we're going to sorely miss him. He was really one of a kind. But anyway, we will continue to honor him and honor him there. And just to tell you a little bit about what we're doing now, a lot of history involved, but also as we move forward, we're continuing to develop new initiatives like the Children's Dental Health Initiative, Education Initiative. And this is a program where we have partnered with Colgate's Bright Smiles, Bright Futures program. And in 2014, we did the initial program. We brought the Colgate bus down to Lafayette, Louisiana, and we did over 1,100 children dental screenings in 2 days.
Wow.
So now we have the buses, larger buses coming from Houston. It's now going to be an annual event.
Cool.
We're going to be here for 5 days, from August 31st through September 4th. And we're going to do 4 days in Lafayette Parish, and we're going to do 1 day in St. Landry Parish. And if your children go to Truman, United Way Head Start, Alice Boucher, Ridge Elementary, or J.W. Falk, the permission slips are there with the teachers for you to fill out so that your children, and this is a screening, it is not a cleaning, it is a screening, and your child will get a report card about what they need to do for their dental care. And we'll also give you a list of dentists who provide that pediatric care, either under Medicaid or some other program.
The most important thing, because if you don't take care of your teeth when you're young, when you're older, disease enters the body through bad teeth.
Absolutely. You know? And you know, cavities are one of the, it's almost worse than, I don't know. It's one of the worst things that, it's almost epidemic in children, because parents who don't understand the need for good dental health will take their children to the emergency rooms for toothaches. And other than asthma, this is the second largest thing that children go to emergency rooms for.
Wow, that's great.
And it really does affect the way the child learns, the way they care for themselves.
We've run out of time, but you've talked about a lot. We're going to get the info at your website. Give us either your phone number or website so people can learn about the gala and get you some money.
Well, the gala is important. I'm going to take a few minutes. Great wine, great food, live auction, and live entertainment. And you can reach us at 232-HELP. You can go to the website at www.232help.org.
All right, Ray. Good luck with it. Thanks for all you do.
Okay.
We get asked all the time, what exactly is Cox 4 as Louisiana's local channel? We've made a video to tell you. Take a look.
Change? We don't have to tell you about it. Gone are the distinct lines between public relations, brand management, marketing, advertising, webmaster, and social media maven. Today, you and your company are on the clock 24/7, and it can be overwhelming. When you break through the noise, one simple fact remains. The need to tell your story will never change. Many Louisiana professionals have found a great resource for this in a very unlikely place. The team at Cox 4 Local Television.
These are the times, this is a place, time to get on your best game face. Game time!
Yes, the live high school football folks have honed the art of cost-effective content gathering, great storytelling across many platforms, and a transparent work-for-hire attitude that gives you complete ownership of your media. It began in the old school days. Clients who bought advertising in football games appeared as guests during live broadcasts. They told their stories, and it worked.
There's only so much information we can get out in a 15-second spot or a 30-second spot. What we've been able to do with Cox and the business segments that we've done there is tell so much more about our story and give people a lot bigger picture about who we are and what we're about.
We still do that, but it has morphed into year-round television programs focused on business and community events. Here's the kicker. The content created by Cox 4 is yours to use and repurpose anywhere you like. Websites, YouTube, social media, or at trade shows. The production capabilities run the gamut. We have studios in Baton Rouge, Lafayette, and New Orleans. We have production trucks, trailers, lightweight fly pack units, ENG cameras, and even DSLRs. But it's what we do with them that makes the difference. Cox 4 helps to launch new products.
We were just really excited for this partnership, and we're really big on children and education, and we wanted to, find a way to give back to the schools and donate some of the proceeds for those sales actually back into the school programs. We're going to be bringing our CC Streetside Cafe out to the games to sample some salted caramel mocha sippies. We're in all three markets. We're in New Orleans, Lafayette, and Baton Rouge, so come see us at a CC's Coffee House.
Cox 4 helps industries get the word out on their community relations efforts.
Our foundation looked at that and said, this is a great charge. This is a great opportunity for us.
The same holds true for government agencies, political candidates, and action committees, small businesses, nonprofit groups, and anyone with a message. The experienced crew at Cox 4 can help craft your content and air it on television. You retain ownership and repurpose it across all the new media.
Really neat.
This makes Cox 4 a powerful public relations partner. How much does it cost? We're glad you asked. The simple answer is less than you are paying now. Let me explain. Cox 4 operates similarly to a nonprofit organization. Our main mission is to create content for the Cox Communications public relations initiatives. Then we sell our remaining airtime and production services on a break-even business model. This means wholesale-like prices for our customers. We have small project packages starting at $2,500 and have had some projects as large as 6 figures. The process is simple. Meet with our sales and production managers and tell us your goals, budget, and limitations. We'll brainstorm and make a custom proposal for your consideration. To contact the Cox 4 Public Relations team, call or email Jim Hogg in Baton Rouge at the Jim Hogg Group. Jim has sample videos so you can browse our work. We thank you for your time and look forward to working with you here at Louisiana's local television.
We hope you'll get involved with Cox 4 with your organization or your business. Please get a hold of Mr. Hogg to do so. We're going to step away. When we come back, we're going to visit with the Children's Museum of Acadiana. Stay with us.